What is the recommended format for a 150-word essay?
Hello there, aspiring writers. Today, we're diving into the world of short essays, specifically those that are around 150 words in length. These are concise, but they require skill to write effectively. So, let's get started.
What is a 150-word essay?
A 150-word essay is a brief piece of writing, focusing on presenting a clear and concise argument or point of view. It's often used in applications or exams, and it's all about making every word count.
What's the recommended format?
The recommended format for a 150-word essay involves 3 key sections: introduction, body, and conclusion. Introduction, approximately 30 to 40 words. Your opening statement should introduce the topic and outline your main argument or viewpoint. Keep it brief and engaging. Body, approximately 70 to 90 words. This is where you'll develop your argument or point of view. Use persuasive arguments, facts, or anecdotes, but remember to stay focused. Conclusion, approximately 20 to 30 words. Summarize your key points and restate your main argument in a new way. Make sure it's a compelling close to your essay.
Any key tips to remember?
Absolutely. When writing a 150-word essay, remember the following. Clarity is key. Make sure your essay is easy to read and understand. Be concise. Avoid unnecessary words and complex phrases. Stay focused. Stick to one main point or argument to keep your essay strong and cohesive. So, there you have it, the perfect recipe for a compelling 150-word essay. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, start honing your skills today. Hope you found this guide helpful, and happy writing!